This year, I decided to participate in the InkTober challenge for the first time. I collected all my favorite art supplies that would be appropriate for this challenge and started sketching in this tiny little sketchbook, which initially I thought I will do a very first draft and then we'll do a better drawing in a larger format. But then I realized that I don't have time for it to happen. And therefore, everything you see in the sketchbook are all my first attempts to draw the image. So my goal was simply to improve my drawing skills and develop my daily habit of sketching. And of course, to have a good time being creative and enjoying this challenge. My first day was the mustache. I drew this Ukrainian Cossack that I really loved that in old days they were wearing this long, beautiful mustache. And since I had never drawn anything like this before, I guess this was a pretty good sketch. The second was pretty bad, as you can see. This was a very sloppy drawing of the weave, the crown. And for the fourth day, murky, I used the photo that I took some time ago of this cute bird over the murky waters. And that's a pretty good sketch, don't you think? I kind of like it. And here are my favorite beautiful visitors in our backyard that I took a picture of. And again, I'm pretty happy with this sketch because this was my first attempt ever to draw a deer. So that was pretty good. Too bad I did not record it. Now, since I realized that I won't be able to do a second sketch after doing this draft in a small sketchbook, I just started recording all my sketches. So every image you see here is my first ever sketch of whatever I'm doing. The sixth day of the prompt list is pierce, and I chose to draw sewing, so piercing with the sewing needle. I really enjoy using this Pilot Kakuna pen. This is my first fountain pen, and it's perfect. It's inexpensive, lightweight, comfortable grip, just very nice and smooth nib. What else can you ask for? So I would highly recommend this pen. I bought a couple of more after this to use with the different ink. I really like this idea of InkTober challenge. I always enjoy watching other artists drawing with ink, and I love watching ink and wash or line and wash. Sometimes it's called. I'm not sure what the difference is. Also, I am not sure about how this prompt list is created every year for the InkTober, and honestly, I don't care. Because actually the more random the better, the more creative we are when we just kind of submerge into this idea of I'm gonna do whatever it takes to accomplish at least most of it. Out of 31 prompts for this month, I selected about 20 pictures to draw. Initially, I thought I will draw all of them, but then I realized that no, they have to give me at least some excitement to try. And some of them were just completely off for me. So, which picture I chose? Stay tuned. I already recorded a bunch of videos. Not a bunch, but a few. So, and I will post a few more It's not going to be every day, maybe tomorrow, maybe a few days from now. If you're interested to see what I came up with, subscribe, ring the bell to be notified, and please come back soon. I hope you enjoyed this video, had some fun with it. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon.